excited. I'm K-Cube, and today I'm making another video. Okay, so this video is about something I got Saturday. And no, not brace. Well, okay, well, it's two things. It's two things I got. The first thing I think you'll agree with me is probably the best thing you could ever get, and it's not, the child isn't even mine. But, I mean, it's still a cool thing you could ever get. So, Saturday, my family, we just said, oh, it's not real. I promise, it's just a stuffed animal. But, we decided on getting a new member. I'm not okay with this because, I'm just saying, this thing was $800. It's fake. But we got this thing. It's fake. He's fake. His name's Cadet. He's not fake. But he's so cool. Look at close to the camera. Look at this child. Like, look at it. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. My sister's, and here, you can just sit on the table. Oh, he fell. It's okay. By the way, ooh, that was gross. By the way, look at this cute little bow tie thing. Like, look, it's adorable. Okay, just sit there. Just yeah, just yeah, that's lit. Anyways, he's the first thing I got. Well, we got him first on Saturday. It was a long drive to Ottawa. Just saying, Ottawa is far away. So far. Why are you licking me? He's got puppy breath. Just take a nap. So I'm going to show you the next thing I got. I put this child on the floor because I don't trust him. I don't trust him, but like, real quick, he's the cutest little thing I ever saw. Like, this child is the cutest thing I ever saw. Okay, so I don't know why I'm acting like this. It's fine. Are you peeing? Trent, if you pee in my room, I will hurt you. There's good music on the back. So, these. I got glasses. Out of all the things in the world I could have got, I got glasses. Tell me that I am the nerdiest thing you ever saw. Tell me. I feel like one of them snotty rich kids that always has glasses and braces and like new stuff. Like, here, just sit. It's fine. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Here, just say goodbye. Say goodbye.